Hey students, today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Books. So we're going to start at the Google search site, and up in the top the 9 dots, you're going to click there and scroll down until you find Google Books. You can also go to books.google.com, but just notice it comes up Google Books now. This is a good source for finding reputable sources. You can also find articles just like Scholar. You can also search for full text or limited text and then go and find them in our local library. But let's get started. I'm just going to search something real quick, photoelectric effect again, to show how we search this. So this basic search comes up with a bunch of results, several books on the photoelectric effect, but we want to be a little more specific than that. So we're going to go to settings and advanced search. When you do that, you get a completely different screen, which allows you to limit your resources and limit your search results, get a better, more specific result for you. So I like to suggest going to full view only. That way you know you're going to have the full text of the article and not just an abstract that gives you an idea but doesn't give you any source. You could also do books or magazines or newspapers. I'm going to leave it to all content right now. If you know when your pages, what language you want it in, you probably want it in English. You may look for a different country. That's fine as well. But generally we'll want it in English. If you know the specific title of your book, you can do that, or the author or the publisher. One thing that is very helpful, doing the physics in here for this search will limit this to physics content, not some science fiction content about the photoelectric effect. That's not going to help your research. Publication date, if you get too many results, you can go back and find something more recent or something older, perhaps when the photoelectric effect first came about. But we're going to try this and see how our results came out. Okay, good. So this gives us some older stuff, 1922, found inside on page 429. We get 1912, 1958. So this is good stuff going back to when we first discovered the photoelectric effect. You can click on any of these. It can give you more additions. You can read that. But it also, in there, will give you the highlights of the words you're searching for. Right, so another very good resource for your research paper. Take a look at that, use that. It also will give you a site just like the Google Scholar did. All right, thank you.